Here's another one.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle lives a life that's free. Watch out for that tree. When he gets in a scrape, he makes his escape with help from his friend, an ape named Ape. And his elephant chef can fetch along. He's the man's best friend, he's George's dog. He's George of the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle, friend to you and me. Watch out for that tree. Hear him holler, swing and sing. All the animals come to the Jungle King. So grab a vine and swing in time. If you smell a tree, just pay no mind. Like George of the jungle, 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 George of the George of the jungle, swing from tree to tree. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle lives a life that's free. Watch out for that tree. Wild was a baby with slum, and George who stayed for quite a while. And George grew up in the trees above. When Ursula found him, they found love. She took him to the city, took him straight downtown, but the concrete cliffs brought poor George down. So it's back to the jungle for a wedding in the green for the king and queen of the animal scene. George of the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree.